Okay, so are you filming?
You needed it.
It's Saturday night and I've decided I want to try and make the photography light orb. Never done it before. Done a little bit of light painting before. Light painting is sort of a long exposure. You shoot in the dark and then you use some sort of light source with a slow shutter speed. You can create patterns. This ball of light head from Denis Smith. It's our Saturday date night. I've always wanted to do sort of like a ball of light thing anyway. Essentially you want a ball that lights up, and people do it with like string, and that's when I came across Denis and found this tool. So sort of like what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna create some light. Oh, handwritten note. I hope you have a huge amount of fun. Well, time will tell. That's cute. I legit don't know how to, I don't know how to work this yet. There's probably instructions, but I, as you've seen from other videos, not an instruction person. One of these ball heads, which will light up on the end of this stick, light up by this thing. I'm just gonna fling it around. I'm gonna connect that, and then I wonder how it actually like, oh! Ooh! One of us will take the photo. The person's just gonna be like, I'm gonna pop the camera on the tripod, and then we'll put the camera on manual focus, and then I'll wind the shutter speed, probably start at like maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and then we'll see how it goes. Grab my camera.
It's on the table behind you, or?
Probably, yeah, that's the one. Good job, babe. This is my trusty Canon R5. I've just got a 24-70, a 30, a 50. Any lens is gonna be fine for this. Okay. I'm just gonna do this across the park too. It's not gonna be that of interesting scenery, because I just wanna learn how to do this. If it all works out, then it'll be really cool to go do it in really cool places like the city or by like the water. Torch, we realized we did not have one. Yeah, it's my 80-600, but it's what we're gonna use as a torch, just so we can see what we're doing, but we won't have it on when we do the actual things. It's bloody cold outside.
Bloody cold, mate, in Australia, mate.
Yeah.
Didn't know it got cold in Australia. I thought it was
freezing. Oh yeah, it doesn't get cold out here in Australia.
Probably gotta just dodge some kangaroos on the way over the park though.
Out to the Arctic we go. I'm ready. Are you ready?
I think so.
Everyone's ready. Let's go. I've got the tripod, got a camera. You've got the orb in your koala pouch, kangaroo pouch.
Well, your light's on.
Yeah, because you need it when I get outside. This is for the vlogging, so you can see me.
Ooh.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Got the nice diffuser.
The bags? Yeah, it is acting as a diffuser. Good job. 10 points.
10 points for Gryffindor.
Onwards we go.
30 metres from a park, so we just stroll out the front door.
See me?
Very well, yes. Yeah, you look kind of scary, like you're about to tell a horror story.
Maybe that's what's going to happen. Oh!
Full moon? Where's the moon?
Almost.
Oh yeah, you're pretty full. Oh, you can see the stars.
Come on. Good job today. Okay.
She's just clearing the park for us, making sure it's safe.
Good dog. I think we'll go facing that way because there's no light facing that way. Ideally you want to do this where there's no other lights, like at the beach or in a desert or something. It can be done around lights as well, so. Alright, anywhere in the middle of the park will do at this point, I think. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Was that too?
No, I can still see you.
Can ya?
Yeah.
Alright, so basically what we're doing is he's got the light thing. Yeah, and that will do it, like I think that would do it. So you got to do that, and then you got to rotate around as you go. And then turn it, no. So go like this, and then you'll go like this.
Spin.
So yeah, you're stay in the same spot, babe, yeah. So what we're gonna do is Gerred's gonna go out, and you gotta like go in one direction and stay, and then you just spin around. All you do, yeah, that's perfect. And then you should technically create an orb if you stay in the same spot. We think. Well, we'll see. Okay, I'm turning this one off. This was just our light for... Okay, so it's very dark now, obviously. I can't see you like at all. Hang on. Okay. I'm about to do my first shot. I'm gonna start at 30 seconds. Oh God, it's going. I didn't even mean to click it, but just go. Okay. Yeah.
I don't know how fast it's spins.
Just keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. This is a complete test. Yeah, just keep going. I might have done it a bit long. I don't know. We'll see. No idea. You're doing great, babe. Okay, stop. Whoa! Oh my god, we did it! Hang on, wait. I think we did it. Ah, hang on. Wait. See. Darker. Look, how cool! We actually, I was not expecting that to work first go. That was quite good. That was ISO 400, so I can definitely turn the ISO down to 100, and we can even turn the f-stop up if we want, but that's 30 seconds, so maybe half that?
You reckon less would be better?
But you don't want to do too much because then it just fills up all the light, so...
I want a full globe.
No, but once it's a full globe, it's just a light, like it's good to have the gaps. Alright. Okay, take 2, you ready? Pretty much the same settings, we've got 30 shutter speed, f14, 125 ISO. Hang on, sorry. Okay, and it's going. It's getting it. This man is definitely gonna be my husband. Keep going. Okay.
It's wonky, isn't it?
Yeah. I wonder how you get it to not pick circle. Maybe I'll have a go. Do you feel like you move it all?
Well, you're doing these ones. You go there?
Yeah, I'll have a try. I don't know, it looks hard, but I'll have a go.
He just wants to have a go on the stick because everyone wants a shot. Everyone wants to play. The pro can do it better than the amateur.
Half focus it on me. Did you, wait, hang on. Hold the string.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh my god,
You kind of want to keep, like, you don't want to move your hand too much. You want to keep your hand in the same spot and just use your wrist. Yeah, like that. And like, obviously, you see that, like, obviously wherever you hold the string, it'll be like bigger. Like if you hold the string further up, the circle will be bigger. So like, you kind of want to hold it so you've got like, yeah, you're just above the ground.
I think that's good.
All right, so move more to your right. Sorry, your left. Keep going. Keep going. Stop there. All right, yeah, you're pretty good there. I'm just trying to focus on you. All right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2. Why will the screen come back on?
Tap on the shutter.
I have. It's not. Oh, busy. Now we're back. All right, just focusing on you.
My wrist is getting sore. Can I have a break?
Yeah. Where's the start button?
What's going on?
Where's the start button?
Shutter spot. Where a camera. All right, so Gerred thinks they're good, but they're a little bit like fat, wonky orbs. 15 seconds now. 15. Yeah, Harley, come here. All right, you ready? Tell me when. Yeah?
Yep.
It's going. Good job. Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
That's pretty wicked.
Yeah. Nice.
That's a pretty good.
Let's have a look. Yeah. Pretty clean, pretty fresh. Circle then?
Yeah.
So you get semicircle more clean, and I suppose if you go all the way around, you're gonna get more of a, what do you call it? What do you call that kind of fruit? Like a rock melon. And then you're getting like not very good analogies here. Good job.
How about go?
I feel like we're ready to epic places now.
Yeah. Can only get better.
We can go to beach. I reckon it'll be sick when we do it like near the water. For a first go, I'm very proud of us. That happened literally the first go. So we'll go maybe look up to see how circles and shapes. And for now, let's go back inside and get warm.
Yo.